Next concept is logarithms. Let me explain you the concepts that are required in logarithms. 2 power x is 4. What is the value of x? Most of them knows the answer. 2 power x is 2 square. Since the base are same, power should be equal, therefore x is equal to 2. But if we ask 2 power x is 5, very few can give me answer for this. So how to solve this? So I cannot solve this algebraically, I will be applying logarithms. So what is logarithms exactly is, if b power y is equal to x, where b is not equal to 1 and x is greater than 0, if b power y is equal to x, then y is written as log x to the base b. It is read as logarithm of x to the base b, or in short log x to the base b, that is y. So for example, if I say log x base 4 is equal to 3, what is the value of x? From the property I explained you just now, it should be 4 cube, which is 64. So the second question is log x plus 2 base 9 is equal to 5, then the value of x is, so x plus 2 is 2 power 5, 2 power 5 is 32, so x is 32 minus 9, 32 minus 9 should be 23, so x should be 23, therefore 23 should be the answer. So the third one is log 343 base 7 is x, then x is equal to, so 343 can be written as 7 power x, so 343 is 7 cube, 7 power x, so 7 cube is 7 power x, therefore x is 3. So we do have two types of logarithms generally, which is, one is said to be common logarithm. So what is common logarithm is, if our base is 10, then we say it as common logarithm, means in log x base b, if the base is 10, then we call it as common logarithm, so it is written as log x base 10. So generally log x base 10 is written as log x. If I say log x, we should assume that the base is, by default the base is 10. The next is common logarithm and natural logarithm. What is natural logarithm is, if the base is e, so natural logarithm is log x to the base e. So since the base is e, we can also write it as ln x. Ln x means we should understand it as log x to the base e. Now we shall learn about the properties of logarithms. We do have few properties. The first property is product rule. So what does the product rule says is, if we have log ab or ac to the base b, I can write it as log a to the base b plus log c to the base b. This is the first property. So the next rule is quotient rule. Quotient rule is quotient rule. It is log a by c to the base b can be written as log a to the base b minus log c to the base b, which is said to be the quotient rule. The next rule is the power rule. What does the power rule says is, log a power n base b can be written as n into log a base b. So the next rule is log b to the same base. So if both the numbers are same, it is always 1. The next property which you should know is change of base, which is most important, and students generally don't recognize this. So if I need to find log 5 base 2, even using calculator you cannot do unless until you change the base, because we don't have any facility of this. So change of base is log 5 base 2 can be written as log 5 base 10 upon log 2 base 10. Yeah, in few calculators we can do this, most of them we cannot. So log 5 base 10 upon log 2 base 10 means, which is log 5 upon log 2. Not only to 10, I can write any base, log 5 base 7 upon log 2 base 7, log 5 base 1000 upon log 2 base 1000. I can write any number which will be converted into log 2 base 5. Next is log 1 to any base is 0. So the next property is log b power n to the base b is n into log b base b, which is 1, so n is the answer. Next is b to the power of log n base b is equivalent to n. And the next one is, if log a base b is equal to log c base b, it implies that a is equal to c. If the base Now on these properties, let me solve few examples. In my next video, I'll solve you the questions which you can expect in exam point of view. Now let me solve some examples just to make sure that you understand the theory. Log x square y cube base b. So this can be written as log x square base b plus log y cube base b. So which can be written as 2 log x base b plus 3 log y base b. The next question is log x plus log of x minus 1. Log of x plus log of x minus 1 can be written as log of x into x minus 1, which is log of x square minus x. The next question is log of x power 4 cube root of y upon z power 5 can be written as log of x power 4 plus log of cube root of y minus log of z power 5. So this can be written as 4 log x plus 1 by 3 log y minus z log pi.